He dropped the bone. He's trying to figure out how to get it back. Stay. You're okay. Instead of just walking around to the other side, he's just sitting like on here trying to grab it from this side. You can do it, Archer. Oh, he stinks today. He's farting so much. Oh, it stinks so bad you had to sniff it? Clean it? Damn, that's gross. It's like he just shit himself. You can get it. Go ahead, there you go. If you go around the other side, you might be able to grab it. Come on, you can figure it out. It's not in the doghouse. It's under the dog cot. You just have to move the cot a little bit and you could do it. Yelling at it is not going to get it out. Stay here. You can do it, Archer. There you go. Just move the cot out of your way a little bit. Don't climb on it. We'll put it back where it was. Oh. Oh. Here you go. There you go. Yay! Oh, you're making it go under there more. Now you're getting stuck. Archer, you can do it. Come on, you could do it. That's not helping. You could do it. Oh my goodness. You can't figure it out? It's too hard? Shh. It's okay. You need help? Alright, I'll come help you. Get it out of there. Okay.